In this video, we will delve into the world of Stoicism, a philosophy that empowers individuals to develop an unshakable mindset and live a fulfilling life regardless of external circumstances. Join us as we explore 30 essential Stoic virtues that will guide you towards becoming resilient, balanced, and virtuous. Discover the key principles to cultivate inner strength, find peace amidst chaos, and lead a life of purposeful tranquility. In a world filled with constant change and uncertainty, many seek the path to enduring happiness and equanimity. Stoic philosophy offers timeless wisdom that can help us navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Join us on this journey as we uncover 30 powerful Stoic virtues that will empower you to cultivate an unshakable mindset and embody the essence of Stoicism. Let's begin. Virtue 1. Wisdom. Wisdom, the cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, encourages us to seek knowledge and understanding. By cultivating wisdom, we are better equipped to distinguish between what is within our control and what is not. Virtue 2. Temperance. Temperance teaches us the art of self-control and moderation. It guides us to embrace simplicity and avoid excessive desires, allowing us to find contentment in the present moment. Virtue 3. Courage. Courage is the backbone of resilience. It pushes us to face our fears, persevere through challenges, and take action despite uncertainty. With courage, we find the strength to endure even the most trying times. Virtue 4. Justice. Justice prompts us to treat others with fairness, empathy, and compassion. It encourages us to uphold moral principles and contribute positively to society, fostering harmony and equality. Virtue 5. Tranquility. Tranquility is the sweet spot amidst life's turbulent storms. By practicing inner peace, mindfulness, and acceptance, we can find serenity within ourselves regardless of external circumstances. Congratulations! You have embarked on a transformative journey exploring the 30 unshakable Stoic virtues. By embodying these virtues in your daily life, you can build an unshakable mindset, mastering the art of inner resilience. Remember, wisdom, temperance, courage, justice, and tranquility are not just abstract concepts, but powerful tools that can shape your perspective, strengthen your character, and help you lead a truly fulfilling life. Stay strong and embrace the virtue of Stoicism.